Hey YouTube, it's NowIamNappy, and I'm back for another Tip Tuesday. Now this week we are going to be making a daily conditioner that is useful for rinsing out herbs in our hair. We know sometimes a lot of herb mixtures can get stuck up in our hair strands, and maybe we don't want to use our deep conditioner all the time or an expensive conditioner. So today we're going to make a daily conditioner that has a ton of slip and can help aid in rinsing out your herbs. Additionally, y'all, I'll be using my Ayurvedic gloss bar, in particular my henna gloss bar that has now dropped for Black Friday on sale on my website to show you guys what it looks like to put the herbs in your hair and then use a conditioner to rinse it out of your hair. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so again, I'm using the henna gloss bar. You're going to melt this down in a double boiler on your stove, and you're going to slowly break this up as the mixture begins to melt. I'm adding in about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of water to the mixture, and then continue mixing until the mixture is completely smooth. Now you can add whatever liquid you like, coconut milk or a tea rinse, to add other benefits to this. The mixture melts down within about 5 to 10 minutes. Now y'all, this has BTMS in this mixture. It really provides a nice conditioning layer. So if you're worried about some of the strengthening properties of the herbs, this is a nice counterbalance to it to really give you that moisture and protein balance. Okay, so I'm going to just briefly show you guys applying the mixture to my hair. I want to show y'all how smooth and easily this mixture goes into my hair. Now y'all, I want to also mention that this is the henna mixture and I still do get a nice good dye release. As you notice, my hands turning a reddish color. I eventually do put on gloves towards the end of this video. But yes, even with a gloss bar, you will get some dye release. So I'm applying this, lightly coating my hair, smoothing this and running this through. I'll be leaving this mixture on for about 1 to 2 hours and then begin mixing our daily conditioner for use, okay? So begin with 2 tablespoons of Ambunu leaves and 1.5 cups of boiling hot water. Let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring the mixture to release the mucilage from the leaves. Once the mixture cools down, go ahead and strain that into another bowl. And then measure out 260 grams of the Ambunu water. Now, if you don't have that total amount, go ahead and add some distilled water to the mixture to its 260 grams. Next, we'll be adding 16 grams of glycerin to the mixture, and then we'll be adding 2 grams of preservative. Now, remember, y'all, this is the preservative we're using to preserve our Ambunu. We realize whenever you're using fresh ingredients like this, we want to double preserve our mixture, okay? Now I went ahead and blended the preservative in. I wanted it to fully dissolve into the water mixture and then set that onto the stove. Next, we're going to begin our oil phase. Now I'll be adding 128 grams of my BTMS 50. Next, I'll be adding 16 grams of avocado oil, 16 grams of castor oil, and then 8 grams of my Chebe oil. Y'all, I'm sorry for the stuff in the back. I didn't realize it was still in the picture. You know, forgive me, but it'll be out of this picture very, very soon. Next, I'll be adding 36 grams of Shea Butter, and then we'll set this right on the stove on the double boiler method for about 30 minutes. Once the mixture has heated up and all the granules have dissolved, go ahead and combine your oil and water phase. Now y'all know this is the chemistry part. You blend to make sure the mixture is completely emulsified together and then set it to the side to cool down. After about 30 to 45 minutes, we're going to go in with our green tea extract. We're going to be adding 8 grams of green tea extract. And now we're going to preserve our final mixture with 4 grams of preservative. Now I'm using Germaben II because there are a lot of raw extracts in here. Finally, I'm going to scent this with my favorite essential oil, so use whatever you like. We'll be adding 4 grams. So I'll be adding 2 grams of lemongrass and 2 grams of sweet orange. Blend it one final time and look how thick and creamy the mixture has become. Now I'm going to pour it into a 12-ounce container and then rinse out the herbs in my hair and get ready to apply it. Okay, so I just rinsed out my mask, and while my hair feels very nice and soft, I want to make sure that I get all of the herbs out of my hair, and this is where I'll be going in with our daily conditioner. So this is a more lightweight conditioner than usual, and it goes on to help release herbs. As we learned, the Ambunu really helps by adding slip. So if you need help getting herbs that are hard to remove from your hair out, then this is the deep conditioner for you, okay? And what I like is that we chose ingredients that can easily penetrate the hair quickly and then be rinsed away without feeling like we're using up all of our good conditioner. Well, as we know, one of the main ingredients in this mixture is Ambunu, and we know Ambunu releases a hydrating mucilage or gel that can deeply penetrate into your hair strands. Now, if you have low porosity hair like me, I highly recommend applying this after rinsing your hair with warm water. So in the shower may be better. I'm doing this outside of the shower for you guys, for YouTube. But once I get back in the shower, I'm going to use that steam to help detangle and separate my curls and to make sure all the herbs get out of my hair. Another great ingredient we used in this mixture that is also very penetrating is glycerin. Now we know glycerin is humectant, and it actually improves your hair over time by drawing water from the environment into your hair strands. Now this is really good paired especially with Ambunu, locking in that moisture and that hydration. Now adding the green tea extract is really just an added bonus. As we know, tea has many benefits such as quickly providing hydration to your hair and numerous vitamins and nutrients. Now the green tea is one of my favorite extracts to use as it contains antiviral, antibacterial, antiseptic, anti-inflammatory properties and can aid in quicker hair growth. Alright, now I'm going to just finish finger detangling my hair, put it in these twists, and then rinse it out in the shower and come back on to show you my results. Okay, so I just rinsed out my conditioner, and y'all, so my hair feels really soft and fluffy, but most importantly, the herbs are out of my hair. So this is a great daily conditioner to give you some hydration to your hair, and so you don't have to always use maybe your deep conditioner when you're rinsing out herbs in your hair. But that's it for this week, y'all. Don't forget, I am having a Black Friday sale all this week going on. It's crazy discount. You can get the Ayurvedic shampoo bar, you can get the Ayurvedic gloss bars, the Shea Butter. I have limited stock on the Shea Butter, so y'all, once it's gone, it'll be gone until I can get some more Chebe back in stock. But yeah, you guys, that's it. If you have any questions about anything, please leave it down in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe and share with any of your friends who may be looking for a nice DIY hydrating daily conditioner. But that's it for this week. I'll see you next time. Bye.